Wait, are you literally still using AI just to summarize basic PDFs? Oh man, if so, you are seriously falling behind. Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive AI platform update that is actively and aggressively separating the casual everyday users from the absolute power users.
So I gotta ask you right out of the gate, are you completely wasting this AI? Because honestly, if you're only opening up NotebookLM to grab quick summaries, you are leaving massive, game-changing potential right there on the table. It's like buying a sports car just to drive to the mailbox.
To put that into perspective, standard users are only tapping into about 10% of this tool's true power. Just 10. While most folks are, just asking for basic bullet points, the pros are doing something entirely different. We're talking building fully automated study machines, custom podcast generators, and intelligent presentation engines, all right inside the platform.
Okay, let's break down the fundamental shift in mindset we have to make here. People are getting this AI totally wrong by treating it like a casual chatbot. But NotebookLM is actually a fully grounded AI research intelligence system. So we need to completely flip our approach. If we do that, we avoid those crazy AI hallucinations and actually build trusted, ridiculously powerful workflows.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, Building a Focused Brain. This is all about creating the optimal AI environment.
Here's rule number 1, and it's absolutely crucial. Single mission notebooks. Never mix unrelated topics. Seriously, if you throw your startup research, your exam prep, and your YouTube scripts all into the exact same notebook, you're just going to confuse the AI. You need one specialized AI brain per project. Keeping those topics completely isolated, that's what makes the AI significantly smarter and far, far more relevant to your specific task.
Now, the real elite power move here is combining diverse sources into one single system. What's crazy is NotebookLM automatically analyzes video transcripts. That means you can blend a 2-hour YouTube link with your own audio recordings, throw in a Google Doc of your random notes, and even drop in a competitor's website. Boom! It stops being a basic summarizer and instantly levels up into a high-level strategic analyst.
Moving on to Section 2, Elite-Level AI Analysis. Let's master these research prompts.
Check out this exact prompt. Identify contradictions or disagreements across these sources. See, instead of just asking for a boring collection of facts, this prompt actually forces the AI to think critically. If you've uploaded, say, multiple research papers or a bunch of conflicting news articles, the AI will instantly cross-reference the whole batch and highlight exactly where those experts disagree.
Want to take it a step further? Use this one. What important topics or perspectives are completely missing from these documents? This brilliant little hack literally turns the AI into a high-level research auditor. It automatically finds your blind spots, it flags ignored competitors, and it points out market risks or completely unanswered questions that you probably never even thought to look for.
And if you really want to stress test your work, you absolutely need the Red Team prompt. Act as a highly critical auditor and challenge these ideas. The AI will just ruthlessly attack weak logic. It'll point out unsupported claims and uncover all those hidden assumptions in your business plans or startup ideas. I'm telling you, it's an incredible validation tool to run before you ever take a project public. But wait, to get the absolute best out of these audits, you have to define a custom persona. Literally tell NotebookLM to act as a startup advisor, or a YouTube strategist, or maybe a coding teacher. Doing this completely shifts the structure, the depth, and the overall quality of the AI's analysis. It tailors the output perfectly, and I mean perfectly, to your specific professional needs.
Next up, Section 3, Automating Advanced Workflows. This is how we execute the really complex tasks. Okay, this right here is one of the cleverest workarounds out there for bypassing those annoying prompt input limits. Step 1. Paste your massive, super complex prompt into a Google Doc. Step 2. Upload that document straight in as a NotebookLM source. Step 3. Just tell the AI to execute instructions inside the uploaded task document. Honestly, it feels almost illegal to do this, but it lets you run incredibly robust AI systems without ever hitting that character limit. It's a total game changer.
You can also completely revolutionize how you digest information. Instead of just relying on the standard audio overviews, you can actually use custom instructions to generate full-blown debate podcasts. I mean, literally having the AI create a lifelike panel discussion where two opposing experts argue over the flaws in your research. Combine that with generating executive briefings that automatically pull out the core thesis, the evidence, the risks, and your action steps. Yeah, you've suddenly got a massive strategic advantage for your business.
And hey, if you ever have to present findings to a team, you are going to love this next one. It's the slide generator hack. All you do is create a note inside your notebook and title it Slide Instructions. Then just list out your audience, your branding colors, the tone you want, and your desired slide count. NotebookLM will grab those exact instructions and auto-generate custom presentation-ready slide decks tailored specifically to your brand. Talk about a massive time saver.
Now for all the students, researchers, and just lifelong learners out there, you can actually turn your notebook into a dedicated AI learning engine. We're talking generating flashcards, practice quizzes, and detailed study explainers. But the real magic, that happens when you get a quiz answer wrong. Just click the Explain button and the AI immediately transforms into a personalized tutor, breaking down the concept using exact citations directly from the study materials you uploaded.
All right, final stretch. Section 4, Unleashing the True Potential. Let's talk about how to scale these workflows. So here is an absolutely crucial workflow prompt for you. Convert our entire conversation into a structured note. If you do this right at the end of a deep dive research session and save it back into your notebook, you aren't just letting that whole chat history disappear into the void. Instead, you're actively creating a permanent, constantly evolving AI database of your very own insights. It's brilliant.
But, and this is a big but, you still have to verify everything. The beauty of NotebookLM being a grounded AI is that it strictly uses only the documents you provide, so every single answer includes a clickable citation. Always click those little numbers. It lets you see the exact source text the AI pulled from, which makes this system infinitely more trustworthy than your standard run-of-the-mill chatbots.
Of course, to build a truly scalable system, you need to know exactly how to push the boundaries right up to the system limits. Check this out. You get 100 notebooks, 50 sources per notebook, 500,000 words per source, and up to 90 minutes for audio uploads. Once you figure out how to build workflows around those exact parameters, there is virtually no limit to the sheer volume of data you can process.
Wow, okay, we've covered a massive shift today, completely transforming what most people think is just some simple chatbot into an elite research intelligence system. So I've got to ask you, which of these NotebookLM hacks is going to completely change your workflow today? Is it going to be the red team auditor, the prompt limit bypass workaround, or maybe you're going to go generate some of those crazy custom debate podcasts? Let us know your absolute favorite down in the comments below. Keep pushing those limits, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.